Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Grove collaborative haul. I know, I feel like I say that every video, but I have been enjoying this service so much. Before I get into that though, I just want to say I hope everyone is having a happy holiday season. Whatever you celebrate, I hope it is bringing you joy, and I just love like the lights of the season. Like I know when January kind of comes around and the lights come down, I'm just kind of like blah. So anyways, this should be my last Grove haul of the year, so hopefully my channel will kind of go back to normal. There's going to be some new things that I'm going to be doing this next year, but yeah, I think I'm pretty loaded on cleaning supplies right now. There's still like things that I'll be buying, like detergents and like laundry detergent and what else? Maybe like dishwasher things. I don't know. We'll see. But I am loving the service. I did not think that I was going to keep on using the service. Like I was like, oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm loving it. Like seriously loving it. So as always, I know this is going to sound like a broken record if you watched a few of my haul videos, but I will always have a link down below to where you can get a 5-piece free Miss Meyers gift set. And so what it includes is a dish soap, hand soap, multi-surface cleaner, the Grove collaborative, what's it called? The caddy, like the, I don't have one, or I think I might have one in here. You've probably seen it. And then a pack of their walnut scrubbers, which are really great because they're made from walnuts and cellulose, I think, which breaks down. So it's not bad for the environment like our regular, like I know I was addicted to Ocello scrubbers with the pretty colors and all that. So it's been nice to make the changeover. The other thing is I've really been enjoying changing over. I didn't realize how harsh my other cleaners were at first. Like I said in my last video, I was sneezing a lot and I could never figure out why. I mean, I sort of did know why, but I was just like, you know, it'll go away or whatever. But now that I've been using the other cleaners, the more natural based cleaners, I haven't been sneezing at all, which has been kind of amazing. So this haul also is going to be heavy in Caldrea. I've fallen in love with Caldrea. I wanted to try the other scents to try to give maybe a better review for you guys that are unsure, because they are, I think they're quite pricey for, you know, for cleaners or whatever, but they seriously, I am in love with like the room and linen sprays. Is it the room and linen spray? Let's see. I just used this last night. Yeah. Linen and room spray. So this one is Pear Blossom Agave. I have been spraying this like a mofo. I love it. I have another one too as well that I've been spraying like over my furniture, like after I'm done vacuuming it or whatever. So two products I want to talk about really quick that I am loving, and you can see I've gotten through this guy. I mean, I have been using the hell out of this. This is the Caldrea Gilded Balsam Birch. Oh, this smells so amazing. The packaging is so pretty too. I mean, I'm not, like I don't worry about putting this on my countertops and leave it out because it just looks pretty. But this scent smells amazing. It does well with cleaning, and it's limited edition, but I think I saw on the website that it's sticking around, which I wish I would have known that before I made this last order, because I got some more of this because I was like, I need more before it goes away. So I really like that. The other thing I wanted to talk about is this essential oil in the scent Purify. It's made by the Grove company, and it has peppermint oil. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Come on. Eucalyptus oil, hyssop oil, I'm not sure what that is, and rosemary oil. This I love diffusing at nighttime, like when I'm doing dishes after like we've eaten or I've cooked dinner or whatever. This smells so, so good. I love anything with peppermint in it, but it's not overwhelming peppermint. You can just smell it just enough. So, okay, let's jump into the haul and I'll talk about why I got some of these products and what my idea is. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Method, ooh, that's gonna be hard to show up, Daily Cleaner in the scent, where is it? Eucalyptus Mint. Okay, it's hard to see this bottle. But anyways, oh, there goes my washing machine. Been trying to like get that last push right before Christmas. It's Saturday, so we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Holy crap, 3 days before Christmas. Holy crap. Okay, now all of a sudden I'm like panicking. I'm okay. So I wanted to get it in eucalyptus mint. I had this before in the Ylang Ylang scent, and it was just a little bit too floral for me. I didn't like it, so I want to try the eucalyptus mint. Now, so along with that, I got, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these two out. I got the Miss Meyers Clean Day Tub and Tile in the Lemon Verbena scent. I love this scent. I wanted to try this. So what I do in my showers is I use Donager, the Donager solution. It's 50% Dawn, 50% vinegar, and I use it to clean my shower walls, and I also use it in our guest bathroom shower. What I wanted to do is use both of these like in between those times to see how they do. So, you know, to see how well they keep the shower doors looking and the shower walls and all that. So I'm going to try both of those. I'm going to put one in, I'll probably put one in each bathroom and then switch, because in our bathroom we have glass shower doors, and then in the guest / my daughter's bathroom it's more what do you call it? It's just more, it's nothing, and there's no tile. It's just like a basic bathtub, whatever surface that may be. Okay, so the first thing, so the first thing I got is the Gilded Balsam and Birch in the Linen and Room Spray. I knew I wanted this because I loved the countertop cleaner. So this is, let's see if I can, so this scent is described as, let's see, evocative seasonal fragrance, velvety white woods of birch and balsam topped with captivating spice, blossoms, and citrus. I did that before. Okay. So that is the Linen and Room Spray. And let me just, even though I've been, oh, I can't open that. Yes, I can. Okay. Even though I've been using that on my countertops, oh gosh, it just smells so good. It's almost like a men's fragrance, but not overly so. I smell like a warm woods. It is kind of velvety. Like the way they describe it is kind of velvety. I wouldn't say, why do I keep thinking there's pine in here? I keep saying there's pine, but there's not. I feel like on the back, I feel like there was pine, but I guess not. Okay, so it has, let's see, it's got eucalyptus in it, it's got cardamom, it has birch, balsam. So yeah, I don't know. Anyways, these are really hard to describe, but they're just good. So I would say just try one to see how you like it and if it's worth it for you. Okay, this one just, I don't know, this one just called to me, Basil Blue Sage. This is the countertop spray. So this one is, let's see, an herb garden from the south of France. Essential oils of basil, rosemary, and sage create a sophisticated and clarifying blend. So this one I did open up. Oh, and this one is herbal. I can smell basil in there. It reminds me of kind of like the Miss Meyers basil. Definitely more herbal scent, but again, just so good. So there's that. Okay, update on the Method laundry detergent. I'm loving it. Love, love, love it. Okay, so I have been mixing. Let me get it out of the package. I should have pulled it out before. Okay, something leaked in here, which is, what leaked? I don't know, I can't really tell. Something leaked. So this is kind of wet. I don't know what leaked. Also, by the way, I wanted to mention that the Grove customer service is really great. I had one issue. I'm trying to remember what it was, but they were quick to get back with me and they made it right. Actually, they made it more than right. So that was awesome. So the Method laundry detergent and ginger mango. So I went ahead and got the beach sage in my last order, and I've been using the both of them, like kind of mixing it up, and I love the beach sage. The beach sage and the ginger mango are probably my two favorites. Well, they're the only two I've tried, but I would say that they are both like up there. So I'm not going to put this on my table because it's got something on it. I don't know. So I've been loving that, and then I've been loving the fragrance boosters that come along with it, so I always get the matching one. Oh, I feel like also like the capful is very small, so even these are maybe more pricey than your regular detergent. I feel like the power of just that small amount, like I feel like these are gonna last just as long as my other detergent. So I'm not like stressing about, you know, paying a little bit more if it's gonna last longer. So I still kind of need to do a comparison of that to see if it's actually worth it, because I know my Gain is pretty pricey. So I don't know. All right. So the next thing I got is the Caldrea in the ginger pomelo. Is it pomelo? I don't know. That I love, like the smell of ginger. So this is a zesty, energizing blend of pomelo, the grandest citrus fruit paired with warm ginger. Essential oils of grapefruit and basil help create an uplifting tonic. These are almost like more of an experience when you're cleaning, you know? You guys know I love scent. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells really, really good. What does it have in there? There's ginger in there, but it's not the normal, it's like a sweet ginger. This is almost kind of a sweet scent. Yeah, it's not overly grapefruit or anything. Like, I don't know, the descriptions are there, but I feel like you can't really quite describe, even though they give you the scent notes. So you guys know I love scent, so that's right up my alley. That one smells really good. I really enjoy that one. That one would be great for spring in the linen and room spray. Might have to check that out. This other one intrigued me as well. This is Tangelo Prom Frond, and this is in the countertop spray. So this one is described as, let's see, it's inspired by the sunny Ionian hillsides by the sea. This textured, meticulously layered scent features citrus and melon with notes of linden blossom, tea, and oak moss. Okay, let's smell this one and see. This one smells like white tea to me. That's what I smell. White tea and almost like a seagrass. Like if you're into wax at all, you'll know what I mean by like seagrass. Like kind of like a grassy note, but not like fresh cut lawn. Yeah, that is definitely white tea. Or a hint of tea. So what else does it say it have in it? Layered scent, citrus and melon, linden blossom, tea, and oak moss. I mostly get the white, like a white tea scent. That one will be interesting too as well. I can see using this in the summertime. So the other thing is I go through countertop sprays like crazy. Okay, this one I forgot I loved this scent. I have the almond wood spray like that you can use around your house. I forgot how good the almond scent is. Like, I hate wood cleaners that smell like, well, wood cleaners. So this is the Squirt and Mop, and it's in the almond. It's for your wood floors, and something about the scent of this just makes my day. Like, I hate regular wood cleaner smell, so having something that smells good is more likely for me to use it. So, all right. I think that is actually it. I'll show you the caddy really quick. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, this was just a smaller order, although the Caldrea sprays were a little bit more expensive. Basically what I plan on doing, because I keep getting these, so they usually include like a freebie. So it's the caddy here. I don't know. Let me kind of turn this a little bit so you can kind of see it. So there's the caddy that you get if you use the referral link. You get, that's the caddy, and then the dish spray, the dish soap, the countertop spray, the hand soap, and then the 2-pack of walnut scrubbies. Okay, anyways, what you do is just you click the referral link, and then like the first time that I did it, I got like a free, I got a couple of free things just for ordering. besides the Miss Meyers set. So I don't know, like if you want to just try the link out just to see what gets added into your cart for free, I would go ahead and just try it and see, just to see. I mean, because I feel like the first time I ordered, I got a ton more free stuff than just the Miss Meyers set, which was awesome. So yeah, so this is just what I got this time. I'll probably come back with reviews of things. Like I said, I've been, like, I want to do like a favorites, because there have been some things that I've really been loving. So like this Purify essential oil, like I love diffusing this at night. That is such a great scent. I will buy another bottle when this one runs out for sure. Like for sure. So anyways, okay, that is it, you guys. If you guys are loving, if anyone has tried the Caldrea sprays, let me know like what your favorite scents are. Because obviously when I spray and use them, I'll get a better sense of how I feel about them. But yeah, so far I'm loving the Gilded Balsam Birch. I keep wanting to call it pine. I don't know why. I think I think of balsam and birch like birch. Jeez, I can't speak. Balsam and pine, like I kind of think of the same, even though they're completely different. So all right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any favorites that you want to tell me about, I love using your recommendations. And if you want info on anything else as far as like scent wise, I can spray it again and let you know what I think. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys are having a good one. Okay, bye guys.